Welcome dear students. Today we will talk about mathematics of class 9th, and now we are going to discuss about chapter 2nd, polynomial. In this chapter, let me tell you that this polynomial is the part of algebra, and this algebra word, see, the algebra is the branch of mathematics in which we will solve number related problems with the help of variables, with the help of symbols, alphabets, with the help of alphabets. So see, this algebra word is derived from Hisab algebra or Kitab algebra, which is written by this book is written by Musa al-Khwarizmi, a Persian Muslim mathematician and philosopher, and he is also known as father of algebra because he has written the first book of algebra. Okay, so he is the discoverer of this algebra or inventor of this algebra. Okay, so hope you are very understood about this first point. Now we are moving to the important points related to basic important terms related to polynomial. Before we will understood about this, what is this polynomial, we need to understand all these things. So let's come up to the first point is what is constant. So the symbols whose values are fixed are known as constant, like 3, 5, 105 and etc. See, this 105, 5 and 3, its values are fixed. It cannot be changed time to time depending upon situation. Suppose a person is saying that I am having 5 rupees. So it means that the person is having 5 rupees and he cannot change. He cannot 6 this 5 means 5 by 6. No, he cannot change. Okay, after all, if we will talk about this variable, so the symbols whose values are not constant, whose values can change, are known as variables. Example, x, y, z, a, b, c, d, a, b. Suppose any person is saying that I am having a rupees, I am having x rupees. So what do you mean by x? So sometimes he will say I mean I means x by 100, I means x equal to 70. So it can change, he can change the value. Okay, now let's come up to the next point, fundamental mathematical operation. There are 4 fundamental basic operation: plus, minus, multiply and divide. And see, what is this algebraic expression? So constants and variables connected with fundamental 4 fundamental operations are known as algebraic expression. Means ये इन तीनों चीज़ों को हमने लिया और इनको मिक्सअप कर दिया, तो द आउटकम विल बी द algebraic expression. Outcome will be the algebraic expression. Constants and variables connected with fundamental operations are known as algebraic expression, no matter how they are connected. But okay, if we will talk about this polynomial, what is this polynomial? So algebraic is it is a special case of this algebraic expression, The algebraic expression whose power of variable is non-negative integral is known as polynomial. Means एक ऐसा algebraic expression जिसमें वेरिएबल की पावर या तो क्या हो, पॉजिटिव हो या इंटीग्रल फॉर्म में हो. मीन्स निगेटिव एंड फ्रैक्शन में पावर नहीं हो सकती. सपोज कहीं पे आ गई x की पावर -1 या सपोज कहीं पे आ गई y की पावर 1/2, तो ये जो है algebraic एक्सप्रेशन होगा, लेकिन ये पॉलिनोमियल नहीं होगा. तो फॉर बीइंग अ पॉलिनोमियल, पावर शुड बी पॉजिटिव, integral or 0. means it cannot be negative. Okay, it cannot be negative. Okay, non-negative. Okay, so non-negative integral means power must not be negative and power must not be in fraction, is complete number. Okay, so hope you are very understood about this polynomial and algebraic expression. Let's come up to the terms. See this, what are these terms? So the terms are the things which are connected by plus and minus in an algebraic expression are polynomial. Suppose you are having a polynomial like this, x plus y plus z. So this is a polynomial. So here the three things are connected by plus. This 1 2 3. So there are three terms. The things which are connected by plus and minus. Suppose you are having 3x square minus 1. So here two things which are connected by minus 1 and 2. These things are connected by minus. So these things are known as terms. Here it is having three terms, here it is having two terms. And suppose anything is written 2x. तो here 2 and x के बीच में into है, multiply है. So it is only one term, monomial. Okay, hope you are understood about this term. Let's come up to the power and degree. See what is this power? So power is the basically power of variable. Power of variable. So here is the any polynomial like this. यहाँ देखिए यहाँ पे वेरिएबल है नहीं. सपोज अगर यहाँ x लिखेंगे तो x की पावर 0 हो जाएगा. एंड सी जब किसी भी वेरिएबल की पावर 0 हो जाती है तो उसकी वैल्यू 1 हो जाती है. एंड हेयर सी x की पावर कितना है 2, x की पावर 2. तो दीज आर द पावर. तो यहाँ पे पावर 0 भी है, 1 भी है, 2 भी है. लेकिन अगर डिग्री की बात करेंगे तो डिग्री इज द मैक्सिमम पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल. मैक्सिमम पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल. तो वेरिएबल की जो मैक्सिमम पावर होगी उसी को क्या नाम देते हैं? डिग्री. एंड डिग्री इज डिफाइंड फॉर पॉलिनोमियल एज वेल एज अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. मीन्स highest power of variable in an algebraic expression or in polynomial is known as its degree. Hope you are very understood about this. What is this degree? Okay, let's talk about types of polynomial. See, these types of polynomials are categorized on the basis of on the two bases. First basis based on their degree. And second basis based on their number of terms. First basis, there is a 0 degree, 1 degree and 2 degree, 3 degree and 4 degree and so on. ऐसे ही आगे ये बढ़ेगा. देखिए 0 डिग्री जिसकी होती है उसको क्या नाम देते हैं? कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल. The polynomial whose degree is 0 is called as constant polynomial. अब इसका एग्जांपल हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3, 5, 100 जितने कांस्टेंट होते हैं बेसिकली वो कांस्टेंट नंबर भी क्या होते हैं? पॉलिनोमियल होते हैं. एंड लेट मी टेल यू वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग. दिस 0 इज अ पॉलिनोमियल. यस, दिस 0 इज अ पॉलिनोमियल. इसका एक अलग से टाइप है जिसे क्या नाम देते हैं? 0 पॉलिनोमियल. तो बताइए 0 पॉलिनोमियल का मैग्नीट्यूड तो 0 होता है लेकिन डिग्री कितनी होती है? तो इसकी डिग्री के बारे में, ये 0 क्या है? 0 पॉलिनोमियल है ये, 0 पॉलिनोमियल. एंड इसकी इफ़ वी विल टॉक अबाउट डिग्री, इसकी डिग्री की बात करें तो इसकी डिग्री क्या होती है? इसकी डिग्री नॉट डिफाइंड. ओके, इसकी डिग्री क्या होती है? नॉट डिफाइंड. तो 0 पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री कितना होती है? नॉट डिफाइंड. कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री कितनी होती है? 1. ओके, ऐसे देखिए लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. सपोज अब यहाँ वेरिएबल की पावर कितना रहेगी? 1. जैसे 2x हो गया, यहाँ 2x + 2 हो गया, ऐसे यहाँ 3x + 7 हो गया. तो समथिंग लाइक दिस नंबर जो रहेंगे. देखिए यहाँ पे वेरिएबल की पावर हमेशा मैक्सिमम पावर कितना है? 1 है. तो इस तरह के पॉलिनोमियल को क्या नाम देंगे? लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. ऐसे ही देखिए क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल जहाँ पे वेरिएबल की मैक्सिमम पावर कितना हो जाएगी? 2. लाइक यहाँ पर हो गया x² + 1 या हो गया x² + 2x + 1 या फिर हमारे पास हो गया x² + 7x - 2. तो समथिंग लाइक दिस. तो यहाँ पे जो वेरिएबल्स हैं वहाँ पे मैक्सिमम पावर कितना दिख रही है? 2 दिख रही है. सब नेक्स्ट टर्म अगर हम लोग बात करें, इफ़ यू विल टॉक अबाउट थर्ड डिग्री लाइक cubic polynomial, where the polynomial has maximum power 3. The polynomial whose degree is 3 is known as cubic polynomial, and the polynomial whose degree is 4 is known as quadratic polynomial. So these are the things. Hope you are very understood. Let's come up to the next type, which is based on terms. See the number of terms, that things which are connected by plus and minus. So first one is monomial, like there is a number 3x or there is a number 0, there is a 7z. तो these are the things, these are the monomials जो जिनमें सिर्फ एक टर्म होता है. And suppose you are having two term, then it is a binomial. And suppose you are having three terms, then it is a trinomial, and so on. अगर तीन से ज़्यादा terms हैं तो we can say that it is a multinomial. It is a multinomial. Hope you are very understood about all these things. Let's come up to the exercise. What the exercise says and how we will discuss all these things.